Maybe Muhammad doesn't care about our wealth.
No. Muhammad considers himself a prophet of God and he is not going to give up.
Abu Talib, although he has not yet converted to the religion of Muhammad, he strongly supports his nephew. We have no choice but to deal harshly with them.
I totally agree with you, Abu Sufyan. It is clear that Abu Talib has accepted his nephew's religion. He supports Muhammad. Therefore, if need be, Abu Talib should also be removed from the path.
What are you talking about, Abu Hekam? Abu Talib is the chief of Makkah and Quraysh.
Now I understand why the followers of Muhammad call you Abu Jahl.
Quit these stupid things. Maybe after Abu Talib, you, or I, or Abu Lahab will become the leader of the Quraysh. At that moment, some people came together and dared to come up with a plan to get us out of the way and put it into practice.
In my opinion, all the sons of Abdul Muttalib should be killed.
That's enough. You people are the leaders of the Quraysh. If Muhammad and his followers see that we are in such a situation, they will know that there is no resilience in us.
Muhammad is a beloved person. Although he can't read or write, he is a perfect person. Abu Talib likes him like his own son.
The best thing is to give Abu Talib another good son and take Muhammad away from him. Do this as soon as possible.
In my opinion, this is a stupid thought. Who can replace Muhammad in Abu Talib's life? Who can? Who?
I know one person.
Welcome. Why are you here?
We have come to meet you, Abu Talib.
Abu Talib. Looks as if you are not happy to see your brother and the elders of Quraysh.
O Abu Talib, O chief of Makkah, we are here again to talk about your nephew Muhammad. Our first words did not work out and today we will try to please you.
Well, I am very curious to know what you guys want to say this time. Perhaps you have decided to accept Muhammad's invitation. If so, that's a good thing.
Abu Talib. Look at this worthy and powerful young man. His name is Ammar. He is the son of Walid bin Mughira. You know his father. He is a young poet and orator. He speaks in a good manner and he has inherited eloquence and intelligence from his father. He is more beautiful and rich than these big businessmen.
Well done. Wali should be proud to have such a son.
Similarly, he is very experienced and aware of business matters. He has the potential to make the most of small investments. He took a caravan to Yemen last year and brought legendary wealth.
He is a capable young man. He also specializes in horse riding and swordsmanship. He is one of the few inhabitants of Mecca who can read and write.
You guys should talk openly. What is your purpose?
Abu Talib, O chief of Quraysh, come and make Ammar, the possessor of all these virtuous and desirable attributes, your son, and hand over Muhammad to us in return.
Shame on you all. You have made such a weak rope, by tying up your bad thoughts together? Should I raise another son in my arms and hand over my sweetheart to you people? Hand him over to you so that you can shed his blood? Swear to God, I will not hand over a single hair of Muhammad to you. I will never hand you over. Go away.
O Abu Talib, tell us yourself what we should do. We are fed up with you and your nephew's arbitrariness.
Arbitrary? These attribute comes true for you people. These are the people who, out of arrogance and prejudice, are listening to Muhammad and closing their hearts and souls. And don't think for a moment. The salutary voice that even the farthest people in parts of the desert hear, you people are not hearing. Why? Because you don't want to listen.
I knew it would happen. He will not hand over Muhammad to us.
I am well aware that you have always wanted to see my humiliation and disgrace.
Now you have got a good excuse. You want to seduce the Quraysh against me. I have no fear of you people. You will soon realize that you are doing a very foolish thing to fight against a religion whose protector is God himself.
We are ready to accept Muhammad as the leader of Quraysh after you and give our wealth to him, on the condition that he has nothing to do with our religion. Don't you think he has a disease? Who considers himself a prophet? We can call the best doctors here for this. O Abu Talib, fulfill our wish and talk to Muhammad once again.
I will try.
Have you talked to Muhammad, Abu Talib? What was the answer?
Muhammad says I do not ask anything from you people. I offer only 4 suggestions, so that you can accept one of them. In that case, you will rule over the Arabs and make the non-Arabs your followers.
We are ready to accept 10 things instead of 1 thing.
Easy Abu Hakam, easy. Listen to them first and then talk. Muhammad says accept the oneness of God and give up idol worship.
What did Muhammad say? What a revelation. Leave the 360 idols and worship only one God. One God and one God who is everywhere. This is absolutely ungrateful. Absolutely ungrateful. O Abu Talib, listen. You yourself know very well that each tribe has its own idol. We are proud to protect them in the Kaaba. All our work and trade is blessed by these idols. With the blessings of these idols.
Come on, gentlemen, we wasted our time. It is useless to sit here and talk. Muhammad's other suggestions would certainly be the same. Similarly, one example is enough for the whole story. Let's go.
Abu Sufyan is telling the truth.
No. If we kill Muhammad, the Bani Hashim will rise up to avenge him, and civil war will break out. It is better to persecute his followers in front of the people of Makkah. so that no one else would dare to respond positively to Muhammad's call. Only in this way can Muhammad's path be blocked.
I totally agree with you. In this way, Abu Sufyan will gradually reduce the number of believers in Muhammad.
There will be no supporter of his religion, so they will leave Muhammad or lose their lives.
No other choice.
Don't hit me, please, don't hit me. Don't hit me, please, don't hit me.
Don't hit me, please.
Will you worship him? Your God is this idol. This idol. No, Hubble is your God. She will have to suffer the punishment.
No. Please, no.
That's enough. This work is done. Don't kill me, please.
Although the Muslims endured the brutal violence of the Quraysh through self-sacrifice, Muhammad was angered by the plight of the Muslims. They set out on a journey. Those who were more willing for it had to walk towards the port overnight before the polytheists got a chance.
Let's go this way. Let's go.